Hello guys, I'm mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to draw this sketch exercise, and we will draw these circles and arcs, and we will apply the dimensions and relations. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Let's get started as soon as possible. Here I have the SolidWorks open. For creating a new part, just click on new part, okay? And now we have a new part. Now we have a new part. For drawing a sketch, we have to choose a plane, and in SolidWorks we have three standard planes: front plane, top plane, or right plane. Or we can create planes in SolidWorks. I will tell you what's the use of these planes or how to choose a plane. But for now, just click on the front plane and click on a sketch. Now we have an open sketch. You can see the sketch here. First thing first, you have to draw a circle, a constructed circle. So here I choose a circle, 2-point circle, and you can see as I get close to the origin point, an orange point here appears. It means that if I click on this orange point, the center of the circle will be connected to the origin point. So I draw a circle, and here in option I choose for construction. Now I have a constructed circle. I think we forgot something. Please exit the sketch and right click and select and delete the sketch. And here we have to change the unit system. The unit system must be IPS, inch per second. Sorry, inch pound second. And now again we have to draw the sketch. Here choose 2-point circle and draw a circle, and here choose for construction. Now we have to give this circle a dimension. The dimension of this circle is 4.5 inch, 4.5 inch, and now we have to draw these center lines. So here I choose center line, and I connect this side of the circle to this side of the circle, and I right click select to exit the center line tool. And again I choose center line, and I wanna draw these three center lines. So I do it quickly. I draw a center line here, and I draw another one here, and I draw another center line at the bottom of the sketch, and right click select. Here I choose smart dimension. The angle of this center line to the center line here must be 60 degrees. So I choose this line and this line, and I give it 60-degree angle, and I give this center line and this center line angle of 60 degree, and I give this center line angle of 80 degree. So I give it 80 degree. Now we have to draw the circles. So here I choose 2-point circle, and I draw circles at these 5 points around the constructed circle. So I draw circles. So you can see the orange point here. So draw the circles at the end of the center lines. So I draw a circle here and here and here and here. Right click select to exit the circle tool. All of these 5 circles must be equal, and they have to be the same as each other. So hold the control button and choose these 5 circles, this one and this one, and in add relation choose equal relation. Now they have all the same dimension. Here choose a smart dimension. The dimension of circle is 1.5 inch, and we have to draw these as a smaller circle. So here I choose circle, 2-point circle, and draw smaller circles at the center of these bigger circles. So now we have to do the same thing that we did with the bigger circles. We have to give these as smaller circles the same dimension. So hold the control button and choose these 5 smaller circles, and in that relation give it equal relation. and choose a smart dimension. The dimension of these circles are 0.75 inch. And all we have to do now is just draw a circle here at the center of our sketch, the origin point. So here you choose circle, 2-point circle, and draw a circle here. So the center of the circle must be in the origin point. Here choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this circle is 4 inch. And now all we have to do is just trim these extra parts. So here choose trim entities, and here trim these sections. You have to now just trim these parts. Please practice at home and do it yourself. It's very important to do practicing, and drawing a sketch is very important. This is the reason why I have uploaded over 40 videos on my YouTube channel about drawing a sketch, because if you don't know how to draw the sketch, you won't be able to design any parts in the SolidWorks. And this is a basic thing in this program. So you have to know how to work in the sketch tab. Now our sketch is fully defined. You can see all the entities are black and I can't move my sketch. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to watch my other videos, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments.